right on top.
I'm gonna try.
All right, do it. Oh,
Yeah,
shooter ready.
right.
Stand by.
Yeah.
Okay. Beep. Shoot while moving. You gotta move. Move and shoot, dude.
I got it. I'm on it. Oh.
Yeah, that's not shooting and moving.
I can't hit it.
You can't hit it anyway. Woo!
Good.
Hey!
Okay, that felt good.
Go ahead. Ow!
Did I hit you?
Yes. Ow.
You're too high. That's too low. Too.
Alright.
Move!
Barry, you're on deck. Barry! You're on deck.
Oh. Left. High.
At least you're consistent.
High. Left. Right. Right.
Left, right, somewhere.
Okay.
Len, you're good. Is it left? Is it right?
Right. Right.
I don't know what it is.
I'll say make ready. Nice.
Got that on camera, you know. You say
Yeah, I
nice. You're shooting high.
Nice. Nice.
You know it.
Okay, I want to shoot him.
Good call. See, the camera can't tell you just missed. And it can't tell you missed again.
I'm doing something way
I guess you
wrong.
can tell from the sound. You're shooting low.
Am I? Yeah, okay.
You seem to be hitting those.
Okay, so what's the problem? I need to get my sight up.
Oh man, this is great.
What is that one?
I don't know what to shoot
that?
now.
What's the...
Browning Buckmark.
Try that with a 40 caliber. Okay, 4 more. Ready? Ah, I can't get that first double action one. Holy crap!
I got you.
Woohoo!